Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the coronavirus, this second wave of coronavirus. I have been receiving a lot of queries and I am inundated, overwhelmed by these queries, and this is exactly the reason why I am making this video. I wanna tell you all about this coronavirus, the second wave of coronavirus, which is prevailing in India, which has created an atmosphere of fear in India these days. Before I start talking about astrology, I want to tell you all that you shouldn't fear this coronavirus, this second wave of coronavirus. I am not saying that you shouldn't get yourself inoculated. You shouldn't take the vaccine. You must take the vaccine. You should get inoculated at this point in time. But let me tell you all categorically, let me tell you all vociferously, let me tell you all vehemently, let me tell you all in a loud and clear manner that the coronavirus, this particular virus, is not very dangerous. It's not very lethal. It may be spreading very fast at this moment, but it is not going to harm the human being in general. I mean that it is not gonna cause too many deaths. You might be tensed and fearful of this virus at this moment, but it is not gonna take too many people's life. Well, some people might have some serious problems from this virus because of comorbidity and other complications in their body. But generally speaking, this particular virus is not gonna harm the human being too much. So it is my hand-folded request to all of you all not to panic, not to fear from this virus. You may get ill from this virus, you may get sick from this virus, but most of the people of the world are not gonna die from this virus. That is certain. And even the planetary position tells us this. You know, the reason for this tension, the reason for this panic, the reason for this fear is that Rahu is in the nakshatra of Rohini and Saturn is in the nakshatra of Shravan, and Rahu is aspecting Saturn. And both these planets, I mean Rahu and Saturn, are in the nakshatra where Moon is the nakshatra lord. Hence, it is affecting our minds. It is creating fear in us. It is creating panic in us. You know, why the corona cases are increasing in India? Because if you look at India's horoscope has a Taurus ascendant, and during this time, Rahu is transiting over the Taurus sign. But on the other hand, on the positive side, Jupiter is aspecting Mars, and Mars is in exchange with Mercury. By an exchange, I mean that Mars is in the house of Mercury and Mercury is in the house of Mars. So these two particular phenomena in the sky will help to alleviate this crisis of the coronavirus which is currently in India. And once Mercury reaches the sign of Leo, which it will reach on the 9th of August 2021, then this fear is gonna end completely. This panic among people is gonna end completely. Currently, Jupiter is also in the nakshatra of Mars, and the planet Mars is in the sign of Gemini, which is the house of its enemy. Hence, things may get out of control at this particular moment. But let me assure you all, let me tell you all vociferously in a loud and clear manner that this particular virus is not gonna kill many human beings on this planet. Not too many people are gonna die from this particular virus. This fear which the virus has created among human beings is far greater than the damage it will do to the human life. So there is nothing to fear about this virus. Please do not fear this virus, please do not create panic because of this virus, because nothing major is gonna happen in this world at this point in time. I mean, this world is not gonna see too many loss of lives because of this virus. You know, the acronym FEAR stands for false expectation appearing real. You know, that means that this particular Rahu, which is in the nakshatra of moon, and Saturn, which is in the nakshatra of moon as well, is creating fear in the minds of human beings. So, my sincere request to y'all would be, do not fear at this moment because of this virus. It is not gonna harm too many people on this planet Earth. This is my prediction about this second wave of coronavirus. Well, for people who want a remedy for this coronavirus, they are fearing this coronavirus or they need protection from this virus, I want to give you all a very small remedy, a very simple remedy, a free remedy for y'all to do at home. All you have to do is take a spoon of black basil seeds and you have to keep that 1 spoon of basil seed in your right hand. And then you have to remember your God and rotate that 1 spoon of basil seed around your head 18 times, remembering your God. You have to rotate this 1 spoon of basil seed 18 times around your head in an anti-clockwise direction. And after that, what you need to simply do is throw that basil seed out from your window or in your dustbin. And additionally, you will have to distribute 18 black cola beverage. I mean a thumbs up, a Coca-Cola or a Pepsi to 18 different poor people. If that is not possible, then you can give 1 black cola beverage, that thumbs up, that Coca-Cola, that Pepsi to your person who is working in your house or nearby. And you can give this to them every day for the next 18 days. So in total, you have to give 18 bottles of black cola beverage. If you have 2 people working in your house, you can distribute 2 to them every day for the next 9 days. Well, this pretty much completes my video on the second wave of coronavirus. If some of y'all get infected with this virus, let me assure y'all that most of y'all are gonna recover from this very quickly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You won't get a chance to live this particular life once again. And besides that, if you want to earn money in your life, if you want to see success and prosperity in your life, if you want to experience richness in your life, if you want to be a positive person in your life, if you want to experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless y'all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.